Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new Apple ID on iPhone 17 Pro. To use an iPhone, you must have an Apple ID, which is your digital identity within the Apple ecosystem and allow you to enjoy various Apple services. To create a new Apple ID, open the iPhone settings. After opening the settings, click on Apple account. If you have any other Apple device, you can add that device Apple ID to this iPhone. If you have an existing Apple ID, you can sign in manually. Guys, if you want to create a new one, click on Don't have an Apple account. After that, this type of page will open. Fill up this page with your first name, last name and date of birth. Once the details are entered, click on Continue. Do you use your phone number or email ID to create Apple ID? First, click on the email ID. Then enter your Gmail address. Once the Gmail address is entered, click on Continue. Then you have to set a special password of 8 characters. I have given an example of a password here. After entering the password, click on Continue. Then enter your phone number. How to verify the phone number? Select the text message and click on Continue. Then OTP will come on your mobile. Enter it here. Then continue again. Then agree to Apple ID terms and condition. Friends, Apple ID has been successfully created and added to your phone with some amazing animation. Then again enter your login passcode. This passcode will also protect your iCloud stored data. After that, come back to main settings. Friends, now you have to verify your Apple ID email address. Click on verify your email address here. Then an OTP will be sent to your Gmail ID. Enter the 6-digit OTP here. Now the verification has been successful. So friends, in this way you can create a new Apple ID on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.